Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon leprechaun. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the hat. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve across like this. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to curve up like this, kind of like in a big smiley face. Now, starting right here, I want to add the eyes. So I'm going to start by drawing a circle right here, and then I'm going to add another circle right over here for the eyes. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little black dot, and then I'm going to put another one right here. Now for the nose, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a little kind of oval shape, but I'm going to leave a little bit of it open. Then for the mouth, I'm just going to draw a straight line across. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve down and then back up in a smiley face. And then I'm going to draw a little curved line across for the tongue. And then I'm just going to color in this part above the tongue for the mouth. Now, right above him, or I should say right above his eyes, I want to give him some eyebrows. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go over, up, back over, and down, kind of like a little rectangle shape. And then I'm going to do another one here. Just do the same thing, kind of like a little rectangle shape for the eyebrows. Now, I want to give our leprechaun a little beard. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw a bumpy line that's just going to kind of go around the face, and then come right back up to here. Then on each side, I'm just going to add a little curved line for the ears. Now, starting right here at this ear, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come around, and then it's going to come back over here to this ear, kind of like an oval shape. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up, it's going to go over, and then it's going to come down like this for the top of the hat. Then you just want to draw a little curved line like this, and then you want to put two little lines right here for the buckle. Now for the body. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down here, and then I'm going to put another line that's going to go down here. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go straight across here. Now, I'm going to draw a line that is going to go out like this, down, and then over for one of his arms. And then I'm going to do another one right over here. Go out, down, and then over. Now, I want it to look like he's wearing a jacket, so I'm going to make a line that just goes down, and it's going to come over and then back up here. And then same thing here, down, over, and then back up here. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes across for a belt, and then I'm going to put two little lines down here for a belt buckle. And then I want it to look like he's got like a little bow tie on. So I'm going to put a little smiley face right here. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes down and over, and then another one here for his bow tie. And then just put two little lines right there for some details. Then I want it to look like he's wearing a little button-down shirt. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to go straight down, and I'm going to put one big button on here. Now for the hands. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves up and down for a thumb. And then I'm just going to we'll put just three little bumps on here for some hands and fingers, and just draw a little curved line like this. We want to keep it cartoony, so we'll just keep 4 fingers. So I'll do the same thing over here, line that goes up and down for the thumb, And then I'm just going to draw a couple little lines out here for the fingers. And then a little curved line down. Now, for his legs, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down like this, and then another one that goes down like this. I'm going to draw a line that goes over on each side. And then I'm just going to go up and then down like this. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to go over and then up. And then same thing here, kind of curve up a little bit, go down, straight across, and then up. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes right across the bottom. And then I'm going to draw a little line right here and right here. And then I'm going to add another one right underneath it just so we can add some crazy socks. Now, the last thing our leprechaun needs is a little shamrock or a little clover. So I'm just going to put one right up here. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes up, down, and then back up like this. I'm going to do one that goes out at an angle, across, and then comes down at an angle. And then I'm going to do one that goes up, down, and then back up like this. And then I'm just going to put two lines going down. And then I'm just going to put a little line inside each one. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon leprechaun. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.